1:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Canyon Lake, or 8 miles west of Canyon Lake Dam, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include New Braunfels, San Marcos, Kyle, Limberley, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Zorn, Hunter, Starksville, Sattler, and Redwood. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.